Hello everyone, my name is Parul, and in this video I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Evision team. The reason is that the team stood by me throughout. During my initial years when I was looking for a job in IT industry, it was hard to find a way or make my way. Not only make my way but with a lot of skills. So Evision came like a blessing in disguise to me. I joined one of the batches. I got to learn a lot of things, and since then, it feels like there's no coming back now. And recently, also, I've interviewed for many organizations, and it's not been difficult for me to clear any of them. The reason being that nobody can teach you until you want to be taught. So I would request or maybe advise you guys, whatever is being taught in the class, do lots and lots of practicals, and if you have any questions, please do reach out. Apart from that, the journey has been excellent, and the team has been very cooperative with me. It's been years now, so yeah, that's all I wanted to say. And do join more and more courses that you can, and I'm sure you're going to do great in life.